This is a very simple concept in which we use get and got in different senses. So, in different situations you must have observed people using get as well as got. So, that usage only we are going to see today. See here, in spoken English the form I have got is used very extensively to mean I have. I have a car, I have got a car. I have a headache, I have got a headache. I have a house, I have got a house, that way. Have got means exactly the same as have, it means exactly as have. I have a new bicycle, I have got a new bicycle. The flat hasn't got a proper bathroom. Have you got a light? No, I haven't. I have got some more at house. I have some more at house. So, I have got some more at house. Have you got a dog? I have a dog. I have a dog. Have you got a dog? I have got a dog. I am afraid I haven't got time to do it. Have you got the tickets? Do you have the tickets? Have you got the tickets? He has got plenty in his shop. He has got plenty in his shop. Have they got your address? Have they got your address? Do they have your address? Have they got your address? I have got plenty of time now. Do you have time now? I have got plenty of time now. I have got enough money to buy a house. Do you have enough money to buy a house? I have got enough money to buy a house. I have got to practice it every day. I have got to practice it every day. Has he got a job now? Has he got a job now? So, this is the way in which these two words get and got are being used. I will give some more examples now. As you get old, your memory gets worse. My feet are getting cold. My feet are getting cold. It's time to get the kids ready for school. It is time to get the kids ready for school. I can't get my hands warm. We must get the house clean. You can't get him out of bed in the morning. Would you mind getting the paper off my desk? Would you mind getting the papers off my desk? You have got 5 minutes to get dressed. You have got 5 minutes to get dressed. You have 5 minutes to get dressed can be told as you have got 5 minutes to get dressed. She is getting married in June. She is getting married in June. My watch has got broken. My watch has broken. My watch has got broken. I never get invited to parties. He is nice when you get to know him. He is nice when you get to know him. See what are the different ways in different situations we are using this get and got. That should be done in our day-to-day speech so that the fluency increases and the style increases. I must get my watch repaired. We got our roof blown off in the storm. We got our roof blown off in the storm. I have got a new car. I have a new car. I have got a new car. Has your sister got a car? I haven't got your keys. I don't have your keys. I haven't got your keys. Have you got a headache? I have got a headache. Have you got a headache? I have got a new apartment. I have a new apartment. I have got a new apartment. He usually gets there first. He usually gets there first. You will get to speak English more easily as time goes by. You will get to speak English more easily as time goes by. So, these are some of the examples of using get and got. So, see this video and construct more sentences of this type. Imagine, create a simulated situation and use it appropriately in your speech. Try to put it in your day-to-day communication and speech also. So, let us meet in the next video. Thank you.